Hi, it's day 13. Um, Yesterday I tried to bite into raisins with the biteable side of my jaw, and this side started clicking. Like, even now, it's still sort of when I move my jaw, it clicks. So I'm getting very worried because it's that sort of click that's like, like, like the moment you bite. It's so weird. I'm getting really worried. So yeah, I'm gonna probably um go for my surgeon's appointment a bit earlier just to ask him what's happening because I'm getting really worried. And yeah, this is day 13? It's 14, isn't it? Yeah, it's 14. This is my swelling. Um, I don't think it's went down. So yeah. So I was interrupted by my parents. Anyway, that's all I have to say. It's just a clicking that's really, really annoying me right now. So, I'm gonna go check it out and let you guys know, soon, hopefully. Yeah, or hopefully it's just gone by itself, then I don't have to sort of, be too worried about it. So yeah, bye.